Welcome to Bong Cookhouse. Today I will cook a Bengali family recipe called Pui Shak Chingri Shutki or vine spinach with spring dry fish. It's a side dish, is served in the main course along with hot rice. It's spicy and yummy. We have it generally during monsoon and winter. If you like this recipe, then please click like, subscribe and bell icons below and leave a comment. The ingredients we need are Basella or vine spinach or Pui Shak about 1 kg, chopped onion or peyaj choto korey kochano 1 large, grated ginger or ada korano 3 tablespoons grated in a grater, crushed garlic or roshun theto 3 tablespoons crushed in mortar and pestle or hamandista, crushed coriander seeds or dhone theto 2 tablespoons, crushed cumin or jeera theto 2 tablespoons, crushed in mixer and grinder using the chopping option twice. Panch foron 1 teaspoon, cumin or jeera 1 teaspoon, Nigeria seeds or kalo jeera 1 teaspoon, dried red shrimp or lal chingri shutki 10 gram, medium size, bay leaf or tejpata 1, dry red chili or lal lonka shukno 1, turmeric powder or holud guro 1.5 teaspoon, Kashmiri red chili powder or Kashmiri lal lonka guro 1 tablespoon, salt to taste or noon shad anushar, mustard oil or shorsher tel 7 tablespoon, sunflower oil or surjamukhi tel 5 tablespoon, lemon juice or lebu rosh 1/4 of a lemon. To make Pui Shak Chingri Shutki, we first have to boil the dried shrimp. For that, boil the dried shrimp in water about 3 cups for 10 minutes. Drain water and keep aside. To fry the dried shrimp, heat about 3 tablespoons of mustard oil in a pan and bring it to fumes. Add the boiled shrimp. Fry in medium to high heat for 10 minutes. Stir from time to time. Take off the pan and keep aside. To make the masala, heat about 4 tablespoons of mustard oil in a pan and bring it to fumes. Add bay leaf 1 and red chili 1. Saute in low heat for 30 seconds. Add panch foron 1 teaspoon, Nigeria seeds 1 teaspoon and cumin 1 teaspoon. Saute for 30 seconds in low heat. Add crushed coriander seeds about 2 tablespoons and crushed cumin about 2 tablespoons. Saute in low heat till golden brown. Add oil if required. Added sunflower oil about 5 tablespoons. Add chopped onion 1. Saute till brown in medium to high heat. Add grated ginger about 3 tablespoons and crushed garlic about 3 tablespoons. Saute in medium to high heat till golden brown. To cook the dry shrimp, add the fried dry fish. Add turmeric powder about 1.5 teaspoon and Kashmiri red chili powder about 1 tablespoon. Saute for 5 to 7 minutes in medium to high heat. Add the vine spinach and salt about 1.5 teaspoon. Mix well. Cover with a lid and cook in medium to high heat for 8 to 10 minutes. It will cook in its own moisture. After 8 to 10 minutes, open the lid, stir for 1 minute. Try to poke a stem with a fork or knife. In my case, it gets through easily. It means it's done. Taste it Add whatever is required. Add salt, about a half teaspoon. Add lemon juice, about 1/4 of a lemon. Mix well, cook for 5 more minutes and serve. Serve with hot rice. Please try it at home. Share it with your friends and family. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. The links and recipe are given in the description box. Bye for now. Stay healthy, eat healthy, and enjoy life.